Hi there, I just got finished installing a new mid-pipe on my car. I think the video is going to come out before or after this, I'm still not sure. But anyways, while the car is up in the air, it's a good idea for me to install the new diffuser that I got. This is going to be a quick clip because this is pretty straightforward, but I got this one-piece diffuser that not many people have, but I'm going to install it. I've gone through 3 diffusers now. I had the original carbon fiber one replica I wasn't happy with. Then I had the 3-piece that was terrible, and then I actually painted this a plastic dip, the original one, black. That kind of got me through the tough days. But now I decided to spend a bit more money and get something that's of high quality. The first step is removing the OEM diffuser, and that is held by these 2 8mm screws. There we go, and it slides just like that. As you can see, I did plasti dip it, but the beauty of plasti dip is that it just comes right off. The new diffuser, as I put it on its face, has these holes that are already pre-drilled. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't think that's a hole. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So we're just gonna have to make sure we take these bolts here. Let me show you. There's one here. There's one there. Next, we pick up the diffuser, and what we want to do is we want to slide in the clips first. Make sure you don't break this expensive piece of art. And I'm just going to start bolting it back in. And now we're going to utilize these self-tapping screws, which were actually not provided with this diffuser. We're going to self-tap into the bumper. You're paying that much money for a diffuser, and for them not to attach the screws, it's pretty embarrassing. And we're done. This is the final product. I want to say fitment is about 9 out of 10. It fits fantastic on the sides. It fits great at the bottom. Here in the middle, there's a tiny gap that's only noticeable by me and now you, since you know about it. One thing that kind of concerns me is that the exhaust tips do sit kind of low, or kind of close to it. But I don't think that should be an issue. One thing to note is I waited 4.5 months. That's right, 4.5 months. The first diffuser that I got was actually cracked here, so I sent it back, and it took him another 4 months to get it replicated. But now I need to wash the car, take some pictures, but this is it. This is how you install a diffuser in less than 5 minutes.